and it's me, Priska Joseph. So dear children, in this class we are discussing PYQ from the year 2021 and there is only a single question to solve. So let's start. Before solving the question, if you're watching my channel, please subscribe it and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the notifications. Your doubt, your suggestion, everything will be commented below. Okay, so let's start. So the question is, explain 2 times 3 times 5 plus 5 and 5 times 7 times 11 plus 7 into 5 are composite numbers. Okay, so we have to explain these two numbers are composite numbers. So what are the conditions of a composite number? See, composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. Okay, so in the case of a prime number, which are they? They are 1 and that number itself. So in the case of a prime number, it has only 2 factors, the number, and the second one is the number itself. So in the case of composite numbers, it has more than 2 factors. Okay, so these are the difference between composite numbers and prime numbers. So we have to prove these two numbers are composite numbers. So let's start. Now the first number is 2 times 3 times 5 plus 5. Okay, see 5 is common in these two terms. So let's take it outside. So 5 times 2 into 3 plus 1 is there. Okay, so now let's expand. That is 5 into 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times plus 1 is 7. Okay, so 5 times 7. And the second number is 5 times 7 times 11 plus 7 times 5. See, 5 times 7 is common in both the numbers. So now let's take it outside and the remaining terms are 11 plus 1. Okay, so 5 times 7 into 11 plus 1 is 12. Okay, so this is the other number. Okay, see, on simplification we get two numbers here. Okay, and these numbers are clearly composite number because they have more than 2 factors. So we can easily conclude that these two numbers are composite numbers. Okay, hope it is clear for you. Let's move on to the next question. Year 2020. And now the first question is the HCF and LCM of 12, 21 and 15 respectively are option A 3, 140, option B 12, 40, option C 3, 420 and finally option D 420, 3. Okay, there are 4 options and we have to find out HCF and LCM of these 3 numbers. So let's start. So what are the factors of 12? It is 2 to the power 2 and 3 and 21. It is 3 times 7 and 15 is 3 times 5. Okay, so first we have to find out HCF. So what is HCF? HCF is the common factor which have a least power. Okay, so in this case 3 is the common factor and it has the power 1. Okay, so HCF is 3. Now what is LCM? LCM of common factors with highest power. Okay, so 2 to the power 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Okay, so what is it? 2 square is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. 60 into 7 is 420. Okay, so the LCM is 420. So what option is the correct option? See, 3, 140, 12, 40, 12, 420, 3, 420 and listen, HCF and LCM. Okay, so HCF and LCM is 3, 420 respectively. Please listen, don't mark option D. Why? Because here the first is LCM and second one is HCF. In this question we are asked by HCF and LCM. So consider its order. Okay, so 3, 420 is the right answer. Hope it is clear for you. Okay, so this is the answer. So now let's move on to the next question. The second question is the LCM of two numbers is 182 and their HCF is 30. If one of the number is 26, find the other. Okay, so we are given by HCF, LCM and one of the number. So we have to find out the missing number. Okay, so this is the question. And we know the relation, that is product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Here HCF is 13 and LCM is 182, and one of the number, that is A, is 26 and B we don't know, we have to find it out. Okay, so what is B? B is equal to on transpose we get 13 into 182 upon 26. Okay, so here it is 2 and 9 1. Okay, so 91. So the missing number is 91. Okay, study this equation carefully. Okay, by using this question we have to solve so many questions from this chapter. Okay, so hope it is clear for you. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. So dear children, the final and last question from the year 2020 is given that HCF of 135, 225 is equal to 45, find the LCM of 135, 225. Okay, as we did earlier, we have to write down the equation, that is product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Okay, and HCF is 45 and we don't know LCM, we have to find it out. And A, the first number is 135 and the second number is 225. Okay, on solving we get LCM is equal to 135 into 225 divided by 45. Okay, 9 5s are 45, 2 5s are 10, remaining 3 is the 7 5s are 35 and 9 times 3 is 27. So 225 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. 1 is the 3 times 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 3 times 2, 6, 675. So LCM is equal to 675. So this is the answer. Okay. So dear children, we finished 2024, 2023, 2022, 2021 and 2020. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss the PYQ 2019. Okay. So, you have to practice all these questions very well. Okay. So, that's all for the day. Thank you. Have a very nice day.